Greetings to everyone on my channel Asab Training. My name is Asab and today I will be sharing with you the simplest trading strategy for binary options that will undoubtedly provide you with a 90% success rate. This will finally allow you to turn all your financial dreams into reality. But before we begin, I want to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description. Your support motivates me to create more content. Let's get started. To start, select a currency pair and set the time frame to 15 seconds, just like mine. In the indicator section, choose Demarker, leave the default settings with a period of 14. As you can see, the Demarker is represented below as a chart with two support levels and core indicating price change. The first step should always be familiarizing yourself with the PocketOption platform, the best broker in the world. Make sure you know how to use charts, add indicators, and set time intervals. The market generates values from 0 to 1. When the indicator crosses above 0.7 from top to bottom, it can be a signal to sell. Conversely, when it crosses below 0.3 from bottom to top, it can be a signal to buy. In the initial stage, when you're learning about indicators, it's recommended to focus on signals that stand out strongly to avoid false signals. Meanwhile, I'll be searching for opportunities to enter a trade wisely, so it seems I've spotted a good entry situation. The candle is rebounding from a level and the indicator shows a change in direction. I'm going upward with $100 and waiting. We've made a profit. Another feature of Demarker is its ability to help you identify overbought and oversold markets. If the market rises above the 0.7 level, it can indicate an overbought market, which could be a good time to sell. If the market drops below the 0.3 level, it can indicate an oversold market, which could be a good time to buy. This lucrative market moment should never be missed. This indicator is truly a powerful tool. With its help, I almost always enter trade with an 8 from 10 success rate. It also has a simple appearance and a user-friendly interface. You can use it in conjunction with other indicators as it has two levels and a curve line. By looking at it, you can almost always determine the trend direction. Friends, while we are at it, let's start looking for interesting situation. Based on the two rays I drew on the current segment, I see a rebound from the level. I'm entering an upward trade for $100 and just waiting. And of course we are getting a profit. If you are a beginner, you can work with me absolutely free of charge. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, where I trade every day and you can follow me step by step to achieve good profits. Write to me privately, teach me, and I will share all the useful information with you. Seats are limited, so come join us. Also, when you make your first deposit on the best training platform I use, PocketOption, you'll receive a plus 50% bonus. You just cannot miss it. Friends, always remember the importance of risk management. It is not recommended to put everything into a single trade. Diversify your investments, use stop loss orders, and stay mindful of your budget. Diversify your portfolio wisely. Don't rush into consecutive trades without careful consideration. Access the market rationally. If trading isn't going well and you have had 3 consecutive losing trades, take a break, please. It is perfectly okay. This is the nature of the market. In such cases, it is advisable to step away from trading and take a break. You can always resume trading tomorrow. The Demarker indicator can be a useful tool for your trading strategy on the PocketOption exchange. However, like any strategy, it is essential to practice on a demo account before implementing it is real training. Meanwhile, we are observing what could be described as a market consolidation. As you can see, the price is currently moving within a range. Entering a trade here is very risky. Therefore, I'm waiting for a signal from the indicator, and based on my experience, I will enter a trade. And so I see an interesting situation where the indicator provides a clear signal and I enter a trade for $100 upward. Just wait. Excellent. We've taken the profit. I believe the strategy is working exceptionally well. Manage your risk, stick to your plan, and always stay informed about the latest market news. Only then can you remain in control and be a trader with highly profitable trades. Now, as we observe, the level is finally breaking through, which means that aggressive movement will soon follow. We'll be watching the direction closely. Friends, be sure to check out my video lesson on levels. I often use rays in my training for visualization which displays support and resistance levels. These segments help us better navigate personal consolidation and determine the trend direction. As you can see today, it is applicable in our case. Now, we see together how to candle sharply hit the level, and the indicator shows us the direction of the candle. I am going upward with $100 and waiting. Of course, we are getting profit. Friends, if you have watched this video until the end, you are already with me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my Telegram channel. To everyone, profit!